Sairam students, welcome to the second session of chapter 2, that is number work. So in the previous session children, we were solving problem set 2 and we had finished 4 questions in that. So today we will be solving the 5th one. So we'll move to the 5th question now. Write the biggest and the smallest 5-digit numbers that can be made using the digits 4, 5, 0, 3, 7 only once. Right? So what they have told, we have to use these numbers, that is 4, 5, 0, 3 and 7. Using these numbers only one time you have to write the smallest and the biggest 5-digit number. 5-digit number means there should be 5 numbers in it. And you have to use only these numbers, and that also only one time. So what is the biggest 5-digit number? So what we will do now, 4, 5, 0, 3, 7. In these numbers, which number is the largest? 7. Right? So we have written down 7 first. Next, which number is the largest? 5. So we have written 5. Next number is 4. So we have written down 4. And after 4, which number is the largest? 3. So we have written down 3. And the last number which is remaining is 0. So the biggest 5-digit number is 75,430. Right? Now we'll move to the smallest 5-digit number. Now in the smallest 5-digit number children, now again see these numbers 4, 5, 0, 3, 7. Now in this the smallest one is 0. Right? But 0, if you write it in the front, that means the first number as 0, then it will become only a 4-digit number. Right? Because 0, whenever you add it in the front, it has got no value. Right? So you cannot take 0 as the smallest digit number. So after 0, which is the smallest one? 3. Right? So first you will write down the smallest 5-digit number as 3. Now you will write 0 as the next smallest digit number. Right? And then after 3, which number is the next one? Smallest one? 4. Right? Now after that 5. And then after that 7. Right? So your answer will be smallest 5-digit number is 30,457. Right? So you will never take 0 as the first smallest digit number children. Always you will take it second one. Right? You will never take it as the first digit number. Always you will take it as the second smallest digit number. Right? So I hope students you have understood the 5th one. Now let's move to the 6th one. The names of some places and their populations are given below. Use this information to answer the questions that follow. Right? So they have given a table wherein there is a 2 columns. One is containing the place's name and one is containing the population. So Tala is 40,642. Gagan Bauda is 35,777. Moregaon is 87,012. Vashi is 92,173. Ashti is 76,201. Bhamragad is 35,950. Bodhwad is 91,256. Velhe is 54,497 and Morwada is 85,890. So this is the table given. Let's see what questions have been asked. Now, which place has the greatest population and what is its population? Right? So you have to find out from this table which place has got the greatest population and the number of, what is the number of that population. So children, here now let's have a look at the place and the population which is the greatest. Right? Now if you see the numbers, see here it is 40, 35, 87, 92, 76, 35, 91, 54 and 85. Right? So you have all the numbers are 5 digit numbers, right? So what we can do, we can directly start from our left hand side and see which number is the largest. Now 4, 3, 8, 9, right? So here 9 is the largest. Next is 7, 3, again here it is 9, okay, and again 5 and 8. So we got two numbers, the largest, that is 9, and for Vashi and Bodhwad, right? But now if you see to the next number, if you see, right, it is 2 and here it is 1. So that means 2 is the largest one. So that means Vashi 92,173, that is the largest number, right? So in the answer we will write Vashi has the greatest population and the population is 92,173. Let's move to the next question. Which place, Morwada or Moregaon, has the greatest population? Now here they have given only name of two places, and out of these two places we have to find out the greatest population. Now here see, Moregaon it is 87,012 and Morwada it is 85,890. Now again if I see from my left hand side children, here it is 8 and here it is 8, right? So both the numbers are the same. So we'll move to the next number. Next number is 7 and here next number is 5. So 7 is larger than 5, right? So that means 87,012 is the largest number than 85,890, right? So children, you will write down Moregaon has the greatest population. Let's move to the third question. Which place has the smallest population and how much is it? Now you have to find out the smallest population and you have to write the number also. So again we'll go back to the table children and find out the smallest number, right? Now again just we'll have a look at the table. Again starting from your left hand side we can see, right? Now see here it is 4. Here it is 3, 8, 9, 7, 3, 9, 5 and 8. Now out of these numbers children, 3 is the smallest number, right? So what you can see, here it is 3 and here also it is 3. Now let's move to the next number after 3. The next number is 5 and again here also it is 5 only. So we cannot identify it. Let's move to the next number. What is the next number after 5? It is 7 and here it is 9. So 9 it is larger than 7 and 7 is the smallest. So we have to find out the smallest number, right? So the smallest number is 35,777. That means Gagan Bauda has got the smallest population. So what we will do? We will write Gagan Bauda has the smallest population and the population is 35,777. So with this children we finish problem set 2. So today's children we will be seeing about the 6-digit numbers. We had seen till 5-digit numbers. Now we are going to see about 6-digit number. Now 6-digit means children there will be 6 numbers in it, right? Now let's take 2 examples over here, right? You can see there are, count these numbers. These are 6 numbers, right? So it is 6,20,581 and the next one is 4,16,395. Now we are going to see how to read this 6-digit numbers, right? The first one is 235705, right? So we have to find out how to read this number. So what we have done, we have made a table, right? And in that we have written as units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Now we will arrange these numbers in this table, right? So starting from your right hand side children, what we are going to do, 5 it will come in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 7 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place, 3 in the 10,000s place and 2 in the lakhs place. Now we have arranged these numbers, so we can read it as 2,35,705. So these are all examples. You need not write it in your notebook. This is only for your understanding. Next is 8,00,363. Again, what we will do? So children, we will make a table as units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So what we will do? We will arrange these numbers from our right hand side. So 3 in the units place, 6 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place, 0 in the thousands place, 0 in the 10,000s place and 8 in the lakhs place. So how we will read this? 8,03,63, right? So let's move to the next example. 307,899, right? Again we will make a table, units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. We will arrange these numbers in the table from our right hand side. 9 in the units place, 9 in the tens place, 8 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place, 0 in the 10,000s place and 3 in the lakhs place. So how you will read this number? 3,07,899, right? Let's take next example, 9,00,049. So again we'll follow the same thing. We are going to prepare a table, units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So we'll arrange these numbers in the table starting from our right hand side. 9 in the units place, 4 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 0 in the thousands place, 0 in the 10,000s place and 9 in the lakhs place. So we'll read this number as 9,49,000 because 10,000, 1,000 and 100 all are 0. So directly we will write it as 9,49,000. Now we will see how to write this 6-digit number, right? So again these are examples, you need not write it. 8,09,043, right? So again what we will do, we will prepare a table, units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Now if you see children, what is given? 8 lakh. So in the place of lakh we have written as 8. Next is 9,000. It is 9,000. That means 10,000 will come as 0 and 9 will come in the thousands place. Next is 43. So again there is nothing written as 100. So 100 will be written as 0. So 43 means 4 will come in the tens place and 3 will come in the units place, right? So this is the way you will write the 6-digit number. Next example is 4,20,500. Again same thing, we will prepare a table, units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Now what is the first one? 4 lakh. So in the column of lakh we will write it as 4. Now next is what? 20,000. So 20,000 means 2 in the 10,000s place and 0 in the thousands place. Next is what? 500. So 5 will be in the hundreds place. Nothing more is written ahead of 100, right? So you will write 0 in the tens place and 0 in the units place, right? So I hope students you have understood how to read and write the 6-digit number. So let's start with problem set 3. First one is 765,234. So as I had showed you in the example children, we are going to prepare a table, units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh, right? So starting from our right hand side we will arrange these numbers. So 4 in the units place, 3 in the tens place, 2 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place, 6 in the 10,000s place and 7 in the lakhs place. So now you can write it down as 7,65,234, right? Let's move to the second one. 473225. Again we'll prepare a table. Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Again we'll arrange these numbers starting from our right hand side. 5 in the units place, 2 in the tens place, 2 in the hundreds place, 3 in the thousands place, 7 in the 10,000s place and 4 in the lakhs place. So now we can write this number write in words. 4,73,225. Let's move to the third one. 327001. Now children, I have not prepared any table over here because now we will be doing it directly, right? So directly what we can see, starting from our right hand side, we can say it as 1 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place, 2 in the 10,000s place and 3 in the lakhs place. So we can write it as 3,27,001. Next is fourth one, 875,375. Again we'll start counting from our right hand side. 5 in the units place, 7 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place, 7 in the 10,000s place and 8 in the lakhs place. So we will write it as 8,75,375. Next example, fifth one is 150,437. Again we'll start from our right hand side. 7 in the units place, 3 in the tens place, 4 in the hundreds place, 0 in the thousands place, 5 in the 10,000s place and 1 in the lakhs place. So we write it as 1,50,437. So the sixth one is 203,174. So starting from our right hand side children, 4 in the units place, 7 in the tens place, 1 in the hundreds place, 3 in the thousands place, 0 in the 10,000s place and 2 in the lakhs place. So you will write the answer as 2,03,174. Seventh one is 647,851. So again from our right hand side, 1 in the units place, 5 in the tens place, 8 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place, 4 in the 10,000s place and 6 in the lakhs place. So you will write your answer as 6,47,851. Next, eighth one is 900,999, right? So again 9 in the units place, 9 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place, 0 in the thousands place, 0 in the 10,000s place and 9 in the lakhs place. So you will write it as 9,999. Let's move to the next one. 575,010. So 0 in the units place, 1 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place, 7 in the 10,000s place and 5 in the lakhs place. So you will write 5,75,010. Tenth one is 403,005. So 5 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 3 in the thousands place, 0 in the 10,000s place and 4 in the lakhs place. So your answer will be 4,03,005. So children, will stop here only. The remaining part of the problem set we will be solving in the next session. Till then, goodbye.